Intelligent O&M. So when you go inside a campus, or if you talk about managing your campus environment, as I said earlier, we are using big data and AI technologies to help you manage user experience in your campus environment. So iMaster NCE Campus, as you can see on the display here, it helps you do complete life cycle management of your campus SD-WAN, passive optical network, a complete campus environment. For example, from design to provisioning, policy management, admission of your services and your devices, monitoring of your campus and SD-WAN, and complete, as you can see, so many features when it comes to the maintenance of your environment and an intelligent analysis. So this is our campus insight platform, where you can have a wonderful dashboard which helps you manage the user experience in your campus environment in an amazing way. So you can go to complete user journey with this platform, have all the statistics coming in front of you, so you can pinpoint every single user, any problem you're facing with that user, and go to the protocol tracing level and identify what is the root cause of those problems. And not only that, but this platform can also give you suggestions that how you should be solving these issues in a campus environment.